Yo, what is going on, guys? Hess here. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, and I have the man right here, Vick, in the building. Since I came out here to visit, and I have Vick out here, I wanted him to actually show some of his favorite customs that he's made through the years. So, Vick, let's go ahead and get started, man.
What's going on, guys? So, I have a lot of favorite customs, actually. I had to narrow it down to, 6, 7. Have more at home on display. These are the ones I have with me. We'll start
these are crazy, by the way, man. In person, like the camera, you can't see the crazy details. I've seen some of these in videos and seen them in person, man. It's pretty impressive work.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. So we'll start off with the Iron Man.
Yes.
I was probably my last custom I did. I haven't done a custom in a long time. It's been a rough year between moving buildings, getting a new studio. It's been hectic. But the Iron Man custom, I did this for the release of Endgame. Probably one of my favorite customs because, one, I love Iron Man. And the detail that went into the shoe, I actually put LED lights on them.
That's crazy.
It's right there in the air unit. I had another set of lights on the top, but I kind of messed up the wiring on the inside. I still got to fix it. It's probably one of my favorite shoes because of all the shading, the paneling, and, once again, it's Iron Man.
I mean, and that's going to go down in history now, especially with Endgame and stuff.
Right. The next one, I'd probably go with these Undefeateds.
I thought those were the real deal when I walked in. I'm not going to lie. I thought they were on the wall. I was like, oh, okay. Reshoot flexing all their expensive shoes back here. The custom.
Everybody says that. So these are like the sample version of the sample version.
Yeah.
So I did this about 5 years ago, before I even joined Reshootinator. I was just at home once, got bored, picked up a Bread 4, and just kind of went in.
That was a Bread 4?
That was a Bread 4
The start? No way.
Yeah, it's not a Bread 4 anymore.
Yeah, I mean, even the tongue detail and stuff.
So
that's crazy.
On the patches, I just ripped it off. I had a pair of Tor 4s, ripped off the patches, stuck it on this shoe, painted the whole thing, got myself an Undefeated 4.
Yeah, those are wild, man.
I'd probably go with these next, the Magical Mystery Tour Air Max 90s. A lot of people weren't a big fan of these. It's just a lot of color. It's really bright.
I love it. It was one of the ones that drew me in instantly. As soon as I saw it, I was like, those are crazy.
Yeah, it's a popping shoe. I like the paint that I went with on the side. Like, it has a color shifting paint. It's very psychedelic.
It honestly reminds me, if I have to say it, but it reminds me of Rainbow Bright. Just because of the rainbow, crazy colors,
yeah.
But it's crazy.
It's a few things it reminds me of, but it's a Magical Mystery Tour Beatles album. I love the Beatles, so
nice.
This is the Beatles.
That's really, and I like the iridescent paint that you did on that too.
Yeah.
Like, what was the base on that one?
The base was just an all-white shoe on this one.
That's crazy.
Really
I thought it was the Be True, Air Maxes, that you customized. It's next level.
Twist. Nah, it's all white.
That's wild.
A lot of work as well. These Tiger Camo Air Jordan 3s. Did this a couple years back. This is actually a really cool shoe. I love this shoe just because I put a little Easter egg on the custom. I didn't show it on the video when I first released it. But here it goes. I put my name on the side of the shoe. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Vick, V-I-C-K.
Wow.
Yeah, so just that alone, that detail is super dope.
That's like a crazy, crazy nice Easter egg. You heard it here. You guys go check out some of his videos. I'll link some of the videos to the customs that they made, these videos on Reshootinator's channel. And I'll link Vick's social on there as well because I appreciate you doing this video with me. That's really cool. Super cool detail.
Yeah,
what was the base on those ones?
Cyber Monday 3s.
Okay.
So I've had these for a couple of years now. They're starting to turn a little yellow. Got to hit them with some salon care for you to bring them back.
Yeah. This one, though. Woo.
This is a Warhawk Air Jordan 1. I actually did this custom with my boy British Customs. We collabed on it. We were in the lab for a good week on it trying to work, trying to make something unique because a Warhawk Custom's been done a lot. It's been done on Air Jordan 5s, Air Jordan 1s, you name it. So we wanted to do something a little bit different. We did the red on the toe box, the teeth right here on the toe cap. We get the eyes, the checkerboard on the top, the bombs, the paneling, the rivets. We named it Never Miss. Just a really cool shoe.
And what was the base on this one?
It was just an all-white leather shoe. I don't know what the name of it was.
The details on it, though. This is the one where the Iron Man too, but these ones are both like, what in the heck? It's just so crazy, the details. So you just airbrush.
A lot of airbrush and shading and stuff. Same thing with the laces. It's a Warhawk Custom. It has to have that metal look. So we went with some other laces, gave it a nice paint job to give it that faded look.
Yeah. So
it could tie in with the rest of the shoe. Definitely a cool shoe.
Yeah, I like this one a lot, man. Super crazy. And the bombs on the back and everything. Super awesome, dude. And then the last one right over here that we have.
Last one, the Sean Witherspoon Air Max 97s. This is the custom I did when Sean first released his shoe. Obviously, the only difference is his as an Air Max 1 sole. I went original and kept the Air Max 97 sole. It's a cool shoe. I like this custom a lot because it's actually one of my highest viewed videos on YouTube.
Oh, what was that one at?
Dude, I don't know. It's probably like a 4, 5, 6 million views. Whew. I don't remember. You know,
you lost track after
you guys
like
are correct
3 million. Yeah.
Yeah, I just know it's a high view video. So
that's awesome. And the details on this one is really good. And the lines are super, super clean between every layer, man.
My favorite detail on this is the air units. I didn't think the air units were going to come out that clean.
Oh,
I had to dye them.
I didn't even realize
they were clear. Had to use some soul dye. I had to mix it a little bit too to get that perfect color. I thought
that was part of the base. To be 100% honest, I thought this was all base that he started with, but you dyed the bubble?
Yeah, it was all white.
And it's not, I mean, it feels good.
It feels good. It's wearable, 100%. It's dyed. It's not paint.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, so that shoe's wearable. All these shoes are wearable.
It's awesome to see these in person, man. And especially after seeing some of the videos and stuff and then being able to see them. And like I said, the work is as good in person as it is as you guys seen in the videos.
Thanks, dude.
One thing we did want to mention, the giveaway shoes. So you designed these last year or a couple years ago?
A few years ago, actually. These OBO 7s. This is a cool custom. If you guys are an OBO fan, you guys would definitely appreciate these. We are giving them away on Twitter.
Yeah, I'll actually link it in the description, all of the details.
All you got to do is retweet the tweet, follow Rejuvenator, follow Vick Almighty on Twitter. That's it, guys. Super easy.
Yeah, and then they'll be giving that away next week, so be sure you enter. It's really nice in person. I saw this on the dude's desk, and I was like, whoa, those are wild.
It has some nice details. So it has like a pearl midsole, the OVO logo in the back, a couple of different shades of gold. I went with a darker bronzer gold on the midsoles, a brighter gold on the upper. This shoe's really dope. It's been given away, guys.
Yeah, I like it, man. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this video,
No problem, man. Thanks for having me.
Really appreciate it. And until next time, maybe next time if you come to Portland, I'll show you around Portland and you can come in the sneaker room and
does this video come? Yeah, so we had a lot of fun. We did some hydro dipping.
Yeah.
I don't know if that video's coming out before this video.
It'll come out after this one, it sounds like. But yeah, you guys, you have to check out Rejuvenator's channel and subscribe. Because we hydro dipped like 6 pairs of shoes. It was crazy.
A lot of shoes. It was crazy. I'd never done any hydro dipping, so
it was a lot of fun.
The experience alone was just a lot of fun. So satisfying. So stay tuned for that video, guys.
All right, well, have a good one. Thank you again, Vic. Peace, guys.
Man. See you guys.